searching for my body. I don't know who they'll find. They've taken everything from me, chew me up and spit me out. Big dog loves a crowd. We'll tell them to search my house. I bet they find you face down.
Yeah.
You still gay now, huh, PJ?
Shout out to an ex, he a crash out. Took too many pills, he a crash out. She didn't hit in heels in a glass house. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. You're bad, ain't Cindy, you're bad, you're bad. I like what I saw and so I cashed out. Yeah.
So it is currently 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Tag is on his way to come pick me up. Today we're gonna go shooting, so that's gonna be fun. And I am a little crippled right now. I broke my leg, so the only time I could get there and go shooting today is if he picked me up, and he can only pick me up at 6 a.m. So just leave my house now. He's gonna come pick me up, and then we're gonna just kind of get ready throughout the morning and then meet up with the rest of the guys later. This guy said 6 o'clock. It is now 6:10 and he's not here yet, so I'm gonna sit down.
I am here with the Ottawa Mission. I'm looking to pick up the homeless.
Hello! Oh, good morning.
What's going on, cutie pie? You gotta grab my wallet. Hi, sir. Good to see you. Good to see you. How you doing?
Yep.
And a large double-double.
Anything else?
Could I also get a medium double-double?
Gotcha, is that all?
No, I'll get a farmer's wrap with sausage.
Yep.
Actually, 2 farmer's wraps with sausage, please.
Alright. Anything else?
No, that's it.
We're done. Yeah. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Anytime.
Oh, here, Josh.
Whoa!
That's just letting up guns.
We are just now loading up the truck with the guns, and then we're gonna go to Cabela's and the grocery store to buy watermelons and spray cans and stuff, and then Cabela's grocery store, and then we're heading to the property to shoot. We got PJ.
Yo.
And now we're just heading to the stores to grab everything.
I got fucking nothing. Yeah. Officer, those aren't my guns. I was not there.
Where's those Doritos?
I don't know. I was like nacho cheese dust all over you. I'm shooting 4. How many do you want? You guys want pumpkins, oranges? 6 $1.99. I think that's good.
Thanks, so.
I think that's good. I told him about the clearance fruit, eh? I fucking told him.
They have like a digital dash as well. It's so sick.
See if he answers.
Pretty sick.
Voicemail. The person you're trying to...
Yeah, but I think these are the main spots.
Yeah. Yo! Are you still coming?
Yeah?
Alright, perfect. We're on our way right now. We literally just got on the highway.
Oh, you what?
Yeah. I told you we're leaving at 10, dog, and it turned into 10:30. I did say that. Yep. I recall correctly that it was 10:30. But if we're still stopping at Cabela's, so if you leave soon, you'll still catch up with us.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, cheers.
Alright, peace, Badussi. And we know how to use it properly. And we Josh's leg. With herb and garlic.
Do everything bagel you want?
Yes, please.
With herb and garlic and both, or anything else?
Drinks?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
It's a 1070 person that drive out.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Really? Really?
So Tay, are we doing crack like you said or no?
Of course. You think we shoot sober? You think we shoot sober? Ah! What's going on?
Hello.
Oh, the good chairs are over here.
There's 5 of us.
6, 7.
Nice cheeks.
Where the fucking plays that we're supposed to shoot?
Here, bitch.
Let's just shoot
Thank
these
you.
cocaines.
Last time I invited a white guy.
That wasn't me, dude. That was Josh. Oh, fuck, one sec. It's on my brother. Oh, sorry. Let's do it. All right, boys. Don't forget we're training to save Palestine.
For Al Qaeda, right? Hello, boy!
Wait, bro, I still got one fucking chair.
Oh, hey.
I thought we didn't need that one.
Wait, so how many chairs did you grab?
6.
6. No, so Diggin to use one chair as a rifle stand. So you have to like stand, because he can't stand.
I can stay. I'll try it and see how it feels.
Oh, don't injure you. At least the Montfort Hospital's right there.
Yeah.
Three, two, one.
Yeah, brother, what do we got? Woo! Oh, Lord. You want his water bottle? Are you ready?
Sir. For America. Canada. For Canada.
Are you? What the
I was
fuck?
actually thinking if we had a table.
The table, yeah.
So if you set that up and we put a box, you're good to shoot. Who would like to shoot the bolt action? I'll tell you the differences.
Oh, is that like the one? Is that like? I don't know how to do that.
Isn't this considered bolt? No, bolt's the one where you go like this.
Yeah.
I think the bolt is more accurate. But that's one where you will, you know.
Oh.
You suck.
You're not making it to the roster.
PJ, yeah, but.
You tried.
Yeah, you tried last time. You already have.
You ever hear don't judge a book by its cover? Like, fuck.
Oh, yeah, you were in cadet.
Yeah, me too.
So that means you guys should be like aces with the...
I haven't shot.
Like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
They definitely should not let us shoot, man.
Probably a 22, eh? The little 22 clinker.
It's just little rifles.
Video game.
I don't do it so low.
I thought it was gonna pop. It will pop when you shoot.
It just slid out. Like a slithery snake.
That's me when I'm drunk, man.
We're now just setting up the targets, getting everything set up to explode, setting up the action cam, and then we're gonna start shooting.
Friendly fire will not be tolerated.
Don't you want to put it on the fruit itself?
It's bright enough for us to see, I think.
Yeah, shoot that with a smiley face. Make him Shrek. Give him little antennas. Son hates Shrek? Come on. Shrek is life. Ruined me.
Yeah, for real. Did you cut yourself, PJ?
Yeah, fucking stick, dummy. I wanted to be Sir Lancelot. You're fucking.
Okay. You got 4 more. You got 2 more. Okay. You put him on the fight or not?
The microphone?
Yeah, if you can hear me.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, if it stops the loud
He
sound.
looks like a shooter.
Oh, that's cool.
Josh looks like a shooter right now. You look like a sniper.
You look like an MW2 character.
Hit it.
Nice. Alright, Josh made the lovely bucket.
I hit it too.
Yeah, after 4 tries.
Oh my gosh. I'm my first time shooting a rifle. You usually get closer?
Let the coconut?
Let it out.
Yeah, let it out. So safety back on?
Man, I feel fucking badass shooting that fucking thing. First shot. Boom, baby. Woo, crippled. First shot, baby.
Josh is in the crew.
Yeah.
That was good, eh?
Yeah, that was good. That was good, actually. This is the accurate one. I've never sighted that one in.
There we go.
There we go.
Nice.
The ricochet knocked the cantaloupe down.
Nice. Perfect.
Nice shot. Feels good, eh?
Fuck, yeah. No, I'm fired up. I'm fired up. Alright, grab a box.
You just dropped it.
You gotta tap the top,
yeah,
dog.
weird.
Finger the bottom, you know, the loop-de-loop. Alright, Joshua, cameras away. Let's get into conversations.
I got bras in Atlanta.
What did you first?
I got bras in the air, they think I'm a designer.
I'll go
Body
first.
shape like
I'm gonna throw an apple. Alright, you got 4 shots in here. There's one already loaded. So once you hit this button and it's red, this is gonna go off. Okay.
What do you mean go off?
Like it's ready to shoot.
Okay.
No, don't like pizza, you know.
Can I just see the weight?
Don't point at anybody. Yeah.
You mean blow the table up?
You guys just. You think you can hit the target from here? He didn't know. Apple? Huh? You gotta throw it in the air. Wherever that bead is pointing, that's literally what the bullet's gonna hit. Okay. Fire him. Yeah, now forward. I'm gonna lob the apple. Okay.
Are you lobbing it over him?
Lob it in the air.
Okay, hold it and then I'll adjust it. Just see how you.
I had that fire on me in class, that shit was classified. And as far as the bullshit, I gonna get instantly gratified.
You wanna try it first now, Triple? Just make sure you can stand and shoot.
Cheers.
That's pretty fast. So shoot first? Yeah, shoot first, see how it feels? Yeah. yeah? Wait, don't to the ground. Or just if you're walking around. Oh, God. Oh, you're left there? Yeah. Ready? Go. Woo! Can you get a wide angle?
Yeah, I got you, bro. Don't worry.
Not too wide in case you swing. Habibi, yalla, yalla. This is the brown guys that were shooting. Infidel, infidel. Oh, yeah. I go shoot a shot. In the middle end. So I just whip it into
Safety.
Now you can load the You only put 3 in here, right? You gotta load it, then put 3 in the bottom. Then you get 4. Okay. This is the 3 bring it down now? No, it's already loaded. Come back soon. You want an apple or you want to play? Can I get the headphones actually? No.
It's not that loud.
It's not that bad. Bro, it's louder for us.
It is.
Because the barrel, the fucking port, you're on the other side of. Yeah, so let me just hold it. What's the problem? No, you can never be a pussy, bro. I like to want to hear my grandkids. Is that okay? Go shoot a shot. No cell phone. Shoot a shot. You got so much time to get more videos. Watch 6 Buzz. 5 idiots shooting guns. 1 murdered. Alright, ready? Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
You missed. It's recording now, so. Oh,
there's your thumbnail right there. Did you work? Did I hit the second piece? Yeah! How does he do that? Just like, it's so hard to aim. I've been doing this since I was like 5 or 6. Oh, okay. Can I just say what I tossed that one? I went second disc. Oh. I think I low-key missed the first one. Did you? Bro, I didn't think it was gonna... I couldn't see it. Wow. That was a good throw. Don't put that in there. I'm gonna private collection. Josh is gonna get us all charged. I'd rather be like professional about it. Keep the gun down. You have to get ready at the same time. Come on. You also try to shoot like if you shoot really nice, maybe we'll go together. I think the second one was close.
it was close, yeah.
It's like 3 in the bottom, no?
Don't hold that anymore. Oh, so
No, I was with myself.
Sorry, I just wanted to give you enough time.
Oh, that's perfect actually. I like that system. Did it clock back? How do you do it? Can you clock it back? Then you must have already done it. You shot a shot. It'll unlock.
Accusations every day, she didn't know why. All her calls would be
Say pull.
Oh, I didn't know.
Are you ready to shoot? So then I'm waiting for you to say pull.
Okay, sorry. Pull.
He was treating beating on the truck. Back on her like a big dude. Now she all alone, start moving. Now she got back up.
It's because I called you crippled, eh?
He tells her that he redefines in every way what love is.
Oh.
She fell for him and hasn't gotten up since. Every now and then she goes off though, beating on the stress like a bomb. That's that stuff from my
Yeah, how are you fucking hitting it?
I'm not going to.
I'm just making sure because this idiot will point the gun at something. Yeah. Alright. Well. I'll throw him a little higher so you can give yourself. So can you pass me some more, please? We'll go back to that talk system.
So you just put it in?
Yeah.
It's not going in.
Because you only shot one, so there's already 3 in there.
Oh, okay. Just keep it in your pocket then. Just before that goes in the gun. Here.
I thought I told you that I need a
Nothing but net, baby.
whatever.
Hold up in there. Hold up in there. Use the lever thing to shut.
Maybe our toss system isn't that good.
Oh! How did you do that?
Oh!
That is crazy.
I got it. Don't worry, I got it.
That was kind of cold, but
Intro clip.
down, boy. Down. Down.
Pulling up, shoot up the whole whip. Hit them too. Like I know where them niggas at. Where they at?
Whoa.
Who they with? Them niggas getting smoked.
Oh!
Old dog. Me no work.
Okay, you can pay me back later. Don't
Yes.
worry about it.
Testing the wind.
Alright. Cool. Oh! It's the first one that he didn't hit. Again? What the fuck you say? Set it down, fold it up in there.
It goes in like this?
Yeah.
Or like this?
Gold
other way,
tip
the way I
towards
said
you.
Okay, wait, so how do you load this again? What? Well, you push up and in?
What's up? Oh, good catch.
Oh, I got
So
that.
look, when
thing.
I'm loading,
You got
I'll do
that?
Yeah.
I'll do one of these. Put it up like that.
Okay.
Hit your first, I'll do this one.
Okay.
You hit this little switch here.
Okay.
This unlocks this for when you're not shooting.
Okay.
Put one in there.
Like this way?
Yeah. Always that way. Brass should be okay. Just put it like that. Put it like that, and then I'll cock it forward.
Okay. Just
Safety's
one.
on. Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. Let's put one more.
Man, those Indian guys just said
One more.
fucking deserters.
Four total. Yeah. And then the other one's fine.
Fucking sick use those ones. Sick use. Alright, you want this or what?
Yeah.
Okay, go on the other side.
Wait. Why are we letting him practice this throwing? You're gonna leave soon, no?
Oh, I wasn't practicing, I was just, if someone else wants to do it, they can do it. I don't mind.
Yeah, you can do it, Jabs. You're leaving soon, anyways. If you
Well, I
are.
mean, no, I just, if someone else wants to do it, they can do it. I wasn't practicing. I was
Sean, oh, I'm ass. Yeah, you start as being ass.
I'm good. I'm pretty good. I'm good already. I know I'm good. Just throw it. You throw it.
Go ahead then. Go ahead, Jess. Go on the right side of him. Ready? Breaching.
Ready? Ready? Tell me when.
Wait. Okay. Ready? Pull.
Jeez, why are you shooting the?
Ready? Stack up.
What?
Okay, pull. Oh, don't shoot that. My bad. Jabs, try to carry it out and snap it once you're past your body. Oh, okay.
It's getting ready like a bull.
Okay, pull. There you go. You like that, huh? You like that? Good shot. That was good.
Good shot.
What's the date? Did you rock a new one?
No, not yet.
I will say, I got pretty scared because I saw it kept coming this way, and I know PJ was gonna follow that thing till hit the ground.
Pull. Oh shit, my bad. Dude, it's tough, man.
It's really not. It's not.
It is tough. It is tough when you're first time doing it. Ready? Wait. Pull. Oh, you got the rocks at the bottom. Oh God. Oh, I got more play this.
Safety was on.
I was gonna throw them off.
That was a good throw, actually. You're getting better.
You don't need to lie to him.
How many are you shooting?
3. My earwax is doing double time right now. I don't need it. Well, look at earwax. Yeah. I've been saving it for 25 years, waiting for this moment. Ready, good boy? Pull! Oh my God, bro! Look at this! What are you doing? Want me to do it for you? Yeah, PJ. Alright, ready. Good. Pull!
Oh, baby!
But we need to reload faster here, fuck. More this way? Which way? More this way? So pull! How the fuck does he keep doing that? I had to concentrate so hard.
just
to
Timothy.
go. Oh,
You know what was in there? You knew it was in there.
yeah. That was an accident. Oh shit.
Timothy.
Yeah. Bam. Nice shots, bro.
Bro, same spot. I'm pretty sure it's just fucking you.
Post for your class picture, look at smash. If you hate, getting ass, I'm skating. Yeah, I lost a few good bitches, met some more bad bitches, and I be schooling them niggas. Post for your class picture, look at smash. If you hate,
Oh, you got it. You hit it there.
getting ass, I'm skating. I'm about to the day I found a ball. Walk by, no hate, along with my bitch.
Might reply, if she do, I'm the one that's gonna be stamped like that, nigga. Might say it already bent if I hit her first, bro. Might confident like that, I get the neck with it. Bro, you know this shit ain't new to me, you know I got bitches. Days later, Mike see her, he like, hey, Miss Lady. She like, hey, Mike. He like, damn, you so thick, baby. She like, boy, go find somebody your own age, crazy. There's some girls in your class you wouldn't mind dating. You can do. I'ma just be honest for a minute, I've been wanting you. She like, Mike, no, stop playing like that. This ain't cool, you a kid, you can't do shit for me, but stay in school. He came at a grown ass woman and got home with her. Now he sitting at his desk quiet, looking dumb as fuck. He ain't got no he ain't wanna fuck. She done turned him on, just trying to holler and she so much. Mike shot an air ball, step laughing. Ain't gonna take the same route as Mike, so he planning. Gonna study her and use what he can to his advantage. He on her gram, okay, she like white wine and salmon. She be in the gym on the weekend, she at LA Fitness from
Okay, Lamborghini. She's so thirsty. I'm related to see her. But your girl, she tryna jerk. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm related to see her. But your girl, she tryna jerk. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm related to see her.
Wherever you are, bud.
my Audemars like Mardi Gras. That's Swiss time.
Where are you going to the west or the right? Are you going for the pumpkin? Going for Shrek. Going for the pumpkin. There's one left there for you.
Lambo, Mercy, Lago, she go wherever I go, wherever we go, we do it pronto. It's like
Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty.
Little to your right.
That 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me.
I'm pausing myself again. Something in the orange tells me you're never coming home. Today I'll just stare at the way the orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and dew. How I just hate you. Headlights around. Please turn the headlights around.
Now burners, they know I'm not talking. Stop for a slide, I can dope in the merchant. 2020, yes, we had them on murders. Hang with the burglars, turn to murderers. 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 Hang with the burglars. Hey, y'all, I sweet, not a day.
Also, bartending, you can make bang.
You can make big money. Will it be something like a world, or you can do like a flat rate?
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! That was me! That was me! He's got a sweet game. You did the thing. I take 2 steps forward. Hold on. You throw it like this, right? Ready, bitch? No, fuck you. Man, I'm gonna shoot a gun. Ready?
No hit! How many did you put in?
2. I have 1 more. Oh, you only shot 1? Yeah. Ready? Yep. You suck at Fling it and shoot it?
You have 4.
Yeah.
You have 4, PJ.
I think that was you.
That was me? Holy fuck. Oh, wrist. All that just went into my wrist. Get the pumpkin!
Get his ass!
Fuck your mom!
matter.
All fruits and vegetables. We grow together.
Oh fuck, that is not that. He's gonna learn when he gets to those moments.